less than a minute. But tomorrow I'm going to do the transmission fluid on this thing because I haven't done it for over 18 months. So I know I'm way over the 30,000 mile mark. But things get busy. Anyway, 2 new rear wheel bearings, 2 new shocks that are completely shot, folks. They don't even have 100,000 miles on them. They're completely shot. But they won't even expand. It takes them 10 minutes to expand. So that means they're done. But anyway, new rear wheel bearings. I used a tool that Jeff bought, and that rusty wheel bearing came out in 10 minutes from start to finish, folks. I kid you not. And that was just as bad as when I was beating on it with Thor's hammer in the other video. So yeah, that tool and an air hammer, that thing popped out so fast it almost fell on our toes. It broke Jeff's other toe. We don't want to have another broken toe. So anyway, this bend pack is working pretty good. I'm going to use it to just drive up on and change my transmission fluid tomorrow. Then I'm going to hit the road after I get the transmission fluid changes. Head home to my family. But anyway, got what I wanted done. Rear shocks, and check the brakes, and also new wheel bearings. And yeah. Front end is next time. So a couple more weeks I'll be doing the front end. I left all the parts over here with Jeff. And I got struts to build struts, steering knuckles, and strut bearing mounts. So we're going to get that all done. And then I'll get an alignment and we'll be good to go.